Hello everyone, this question is about complex numbers. It is given that 2 plus 3ai all over a plus 2i equals lambda times 2 minus I. Show that. Okay, so the first step is to multiply the left hand side here by the complex conjugate. So complex conjugate means look at the denominator, this is plus, v is minus. Now when we do a times 2 we get 2a, a times 3ai we get 3a squared I, minus 2i times 2 we get minus 4i, minus 2i times 3ai we get minus 6a I squared. So for the denominator a times a squared, a times 2ai minus 2i times a minus 2ai minus 2i times 2i minus 4i squared. And remember that I squared is minus 1, so this is actually minus 1. That's why we have plus 6a. I squared is minus 1, that's why we have plus 4. And of course we cancel out difference of two squares, so 2a plus 6a is 8a, and we still have 3a squared minus 4 times I from here. So the right hand side is the same, of course. Now we equate the real part and the imaginary part. So for the real part, on the left we have 8a over a squared plus 4. On the right we have 2 lambda. We have this equation. And for the imaginary part we have 3a squared minus 4 all over a squared plus 4. On the right we have minus lambda. So we have the next equation. We can just substitute here, multiply both sides by negative, and you replace this lambda substitute here. So remember, this is not a subtraction, it's a multiplication, so just multiply first. 2 times, this is minus 2 times 3a squared minus 6a squared, and minus 2 times minus 4 plus 8. And now we can cancel out, multiply both sides by the denominator. We have this quadratic from the numerator, move everything to the left and divide by 2, and we get what we need to prove. Okay, the next part is hence find the possible values of a and the corresponding values of lambda. So this is the quadratic we have to solve. Use the quadratic formula or factorize. We get minus 2 2/3. When the a is 2, just plug in 2 to the lambda equation from the previous part. You replace the a with minus 2, use a calculator, we get minus 1. And when the a is 2/3, you can plug in and use a calculator, you get 3/5. So we have 2 pairs of solutions. Alright, I'll see you again next time.